Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdullah Nafis.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Labib Hasan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Akin Shafin.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Taskin Aumanee.
Okay, so now we're gonna present our project. Okay, guys, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, here is our player class. This is the header file of the player class. So here in the private section, we can see the private attributes, which is hiding from this is the data hiding concept, hiding data from all other classes. And then we can see also a private method, draw method in this player, in this private function, private section. And then this is the public section. Here we have called a constructor and also a default constructor. And then this is the get x, get y, get size, get color, and get speed. This is the Excel functions of our player class. And this is the set location, set size, set color, set speed, and also a set xyz. I mean, this will set all the attributes together. So these are the mutuator functions of our player class, and this will draw and undraw the player. And also by this move function, the player will move. And for the CVV file, here we have defined all the functions. I mean, all the methods that are defined in the header file that are. So here is the definition of the methods. We can see that. And in the player test main, I mean, in the main function, we can see that here we have called the call an object. I mean, declare an object of player class. And then we have also declared a point P. So by this function, the player will go along with the mouse pointer. So where the mouse pointer will go there, so the player will go there also. So we can test it now. So here we can see the player, and the player is moving along with the mouse pointer. So this is the player class. Now, Labib, can you please explain the BOM class?
Yes, please open the BOM class.
Okay.
So I'm going to explain the BOM class. So we can see here is the BOM class, and after that here is the private attributes, x, y, size, color, dx, dy, and there is also a private method. Then after private method and private section, that we can see a private public method here, and there at here first there is a public constructor and default BOM constructor in the public section. Then there are accessors method like get x, get y, get size, color, dx, dy, and so on. And after that we have left method for fruit, or for the method fruit will bounce back to the side of the screen or the end of the screen, and it will bounce back. And then there is also a reverse
fruit. It is the BOM actually.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, and the BOM will bounce back from the screen. And after that, there's also reverse method of bounce effect for BOM, reverse x and reverse y. And then after that, here is mutators. Yes, set location, set size, set color, set method. We can see there is. Then we can see the definition of each methods. Nafis, can you open the CPP file? Here we can see for each method, the definitions are explained here. Nafis, can you go to the BOM test main?
Okay.
So here we can see BOM and player is called. And here is set location, set color, set size, and set random movement. Then after that, we see there's undraw, bounce, and move from each function. Nafis, can you run the program now?
Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't call. Just a minute.
Yes, so here you can see the bomb is bouncing back and forth hitting the wall. So my part is
Now,
done.
Shafin, can you please tell the fruit function?
Yes, can you go to the fruit HPP, sorry. So here we have the fruit class. So first we have the private section. Here we have declared attributes x, y, size, color, dx, dy. And then we have also a private method draw. Then we have the public section, and here we have the fruit constructor and then a fruit default constructor in the second one. Then we have also the accessors, the get x, get y, get size, get color, get dx, get dy. This will get information from the function. Then we have the methods of left, right, top, bottom. These methods are mainly for the bounce effect, like when the fruit will hit the margin of this display, it will bounce back. And then we have also another two method, the reverse x and reverse y. Here this will make the bounce effect. Mainly for the bounce effect, we have used the reverse x and reverse y. Then we have the mutators, the set location, set size, set color, set movement, and set. This will set location, set the size and the color of the fruit, and also the movement. Then we have three another methods: the draw, undraw, and move. Draw undraw is mainly for the fruit draw and undraw, and the move is for the move function. Then the operator is for the aggregation part, and in the last we have the set movement and bounce. For the bounce effect, we are for the bounce, and the set random movement is for the random location of the fruit. Nafis, can you go to the fruit CPP? And here we have defined all the methods in this part, in the CPP section. And Nafis, can you go to the test fruit?
Okay.
Fruit test mix, right? So here we have called two objects, the fruits and the player for the player part. And then we have implemented the set location, set color, set size, and set movement. We have mainly used here for the implement them here. And then can you go down, Nafis? A little bit. Yes, yes. So in here we have draw, bounce, move, draw. Here we have implement these methods, and we ran our program and got a expected result. So Nafis, can you run the code?
Okay, just a minute.
So here we can see our green fruits. They are all bouncing in front of the screen. They are all bouncing when they hit the x and y axis. So I think our fruit section, fruit function worked well. I will tell Maria to explain the aggregation and composition. I mean the aggregation part. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Shafin. Okay, so now I'm going to describe the part of aggregation and composition, which is a part of association. As we know that composition and aggregation are two types of association, which is used to represent relationships between two classes. So here we have introduced bomb class, and under which we have taken a pointer P, yeah, a pointer P, And if we scroll below, then we can see that we have also introduced two operators, which has player P as parameter. These operators are uh, mainly used to show on the screen that when the player and the bomb touches each other or clashes, then the game gets over. Then Nafis, can you please move to the bomb CPP? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here we have also defined the definition of the operator is also shown here. And after that, I would request Nafis to run. Can you run the program?
Okay, just a minute.
Okay, so here is the screen, and we can, yeah. So as we have seen, there is a, red circle which represents the bomb. As the player touches the bomb gets vanished, and also the screen which shows that the game gets over. Then can we move to the HPP again? Okay, so here we also can see that we have introduced another class, which is a fruit class, and also in the below, yeah, in the below, we have also stated the operators for it. In this operator, also the player P is set as a parameter, and this operator is mainly used to show on the screen that when the player touches the fruit or clashes with it, the game does not get over, only the fruit vanishes. Okay, so moving to the bomb CPP, here, like the previous one, we have also given the definition of the operator here, and according to that, we'll run the program. Nafis, can you please run it? Okay, so as we can see, the green balls represent the fruits, and as the pointer, which is the player's pointer, touches the fruit, it gets vanishes, but the screen does not get vanished, which proves that the game does not get over. Okay, so by this, we are ending our presentation. I hope we are able to touch every point that has been given in the rubric. Thank you, Doctor, for patiently listening
Thank you,
to us.
Doctor. Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Doctor.
doctor.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay. So.